Good morning, everyone. I'm Diane Allison, the Director of Local Government Services at the Legislative Auditor's Office, and I'd like to welcome you to our 2021 Center for Local Government Excellence virtual workshop. We sure hope you enjoy the presentations over the next day and a half. I have just a few housekeeping items to share with you. Most important is how to obtain your CPE credit. Speakers will be verbally stating 4-digit numeric attendance codes throughout their presentations at random times. Be sure to write these down, especially because they won't be displayed on your screen. We've created a form for you to record them on, which, if you haven't already, can be downloaded from the Center for Local Government Excellence community section of our website, which is lla.la.gov. To get your CPE credit, you'll need to email that completed attendance verification worksheet form to, and here's the email address, but this is all in writing for you, CLGE2021@lla.la.gov. We ask you to send that by October 31st. Today, we will have a 10-minute break in the morning, an hour for lunch, and a 10-minute break again in the afternoon. And today's program ends at 4:30. Tomorrow we'll have just one 10-minute break since the workshop begins at 8:30 and ends at 12:30. Oh, and if you need a bio break during a presentation, a good time to do so is right after the speaker provides an attendance code, and that is just advice from an experienced water drinker. We welcome your questions, which you can type in the Q&A Zoom feature, which you'll see pop up when you hover your mouse towards the bottom center of your screen. Those questions will be monitored throughout the day, and if we're unable to answer your question during the presentation, we will definitely email you a response within a couple of days. Course materials were emailed to everyone who registered, but they're also posted on our website for you to download. We are recording this program and we'll post it on our website around mid-November. After the workshop ends, we will send you an email asking you to evaluate our speakers and programs so we can design future programs around your needs. And without further ado, I'll turn it over to Mike Wagasback, our legislative auditor.